Hello mga Chinoy Barkada, my name is Kimo at ako yung makakasama dito sa Chinoy Access. And talking about cars, nandito po tayo ngayon sa parking lot ng Metro Walk for the Automax Car Show! Boom! Hello, good morning sir. Good morning. Oo. Your name is?
Nike.
Nike, bale, I'm actually interested in this car, no? Can you tell me the features of this car?
I have a 1.6 engine. It's a GDI automatic transmission with the 6-speed gear.
Oh, cool. Tapos may video pa dito.
Yeah, video. I can get DVD, CD.
Oh, okay. Good. Tapos halata ako may parang...
I have a panoramic sunroof.
Oh, cool. Oh, so bayan tayo lumabas dito.
Yeah.
Oh, sabi mo kanina na 3 doors.
Yeah, it's a 3-door.
So, paano ba to?
I have the back door at the right side.
Oh, cool. Tapos pwede nang sumakay dito. Mga ilan ba pwedeng sumakay dito? Apat lang. So, salamat. And
Thank you.
na-enjoy ako dito sa sasakyan mo. Mga Chinoy Barkada, nandito ako ngayon with the person behind this event, Mr. Randy Lau. Hi sir.
bro.
So, ayun po, can you tell us again, sa mga viewers na hindi pa nakakaalam, kung ano ang Autobot?
Autobot is a car shop managed by me, and then I decided to put up a car show before the summer ends.
This is the first
First car show.
Aside from the cars, mga services ng
Other services ng other, the paint jobs, the body kits, sound accessories, sound setup, the accessories, and lahat na. Name it na ginagawa to a car. What I did here is I changed the body paint and body kit. Actually, lahat binago ko na from the factory made. I changed the seats, the steering wheels, the panel.
So lahat customized po.
Lahat customized.
Okay guys, so nakita natin yung Honda Civic ni Sir Randy Lau. Okay, Sir Randy, salamat.
Thank you,
And
thank you.
Congratulations sa wonderful event na to.
Thank you, Chinoy TV. Thank you.
Ayan mga Chinoy Barkada, fully loaded tayo ng mga sasakyan dito sa Metro Walk here in Ortigas. Saan si Benedict? Pupunta na siya dito eh. Wait lang Nag-text. Kita na lang tayo sa One Esplanade for the Soul Slam Manila. Okay, sige. See you all sa Soul Slam Manila. Okay, bye-bye. Hello mga Chinoy Barkada, kung kanina ay fully loaded tayo ng mga sasakyan, ngayon ay fully loaded naman tayo ng mga sapatos.
Nandito tayo ngayon sa One Esplanade upang feature ang isa na namang Chinoy Access.
Kung saan pinapakita namin ang mga hottest events in and around the metro. As sneaker sellers, buyers, and lovers converge in one big event, the Manila sneaker scene is alive and kicking as Soul Slam Manila 2012 leads on to One Esplanade last May 20 from 2 in the afternoon up until 8 in the evening. With host DJ Tyler of Magic 89.9, Soul Slam Manila 2012 chills the crowd with awesome brand finds from sneakers to what you got.
Good morning mga Chinoy Barkada. Nandito tayo ngayon sa One Esplanade para sa Soul Slam Event 2012. At kasama ko ngayon si Mr. Antonio Aguirre to tell us more about this event.
Soul Slam 2012 is a 3 times a year event. it's all about sneakers, so it's a buy-sell trade market for rare and hard-to-find sneakers and streetwear.
So sir, yung venue po ba na ito is same or iba-iba?
It's a new venue. We made it to One Esplanade for this summer.
Paano nyo na-conceptualize itong event na ito? Paano nyo, ano ba kayo sir? Kayo lang mag-isa or marami kayong organizers na event na ito?
I'm the executive producer.
Okay.
And then I have with me a team of sneakerheads as well. So these are people that are passionate about sneakers.
Okay, there you have it mga Chinoy Barkada. Mr. Antonio Aguirre, the executive producer of this event, Summer Soul 2012.
And mga Chinoy Barkada, we have the host, Nico Ramos, also known as DJ Tyler. Hi. Hi, Nico.
Kimo, my good friend. Welcome to Soul Slam.
Okay, so aside from being the host of the event, nagbibenta ka daw dito eh.
Me and my partners, sabi niyo Empire Fanboy Clothing.
Empire Fanboy, okay.
We produce NBA-themed fanboy attire, NBA playoffs, Kevin Durant.
Cool.
Making headlines for the Heroes. Public Enemy #1, the Miami Heat ng Villain.
So can you invite our audience to probably kung paano sila makakabili ng fanboy?
Oh yeah, check us out. We're on Twitter, twitter.com/_empire and facebook.com/Empire Manil, EMPIREMANILLE, and check out Soul Slam Manila on Twitter also.
Okay mga Chinoy Barkada, we have here Mr. Polo Ravales, spotted. So sir, how do you find this event? Okay ba siya?
Wow, it's like heaven to me, you know. Sobrang sarap ng feeling, tapos pagpasok ko pa lang, sobrang dami sapatos.
So sir, ano mga message nyo sa mga viewers nating Chinoy Barkada para sa event nito, sir?
Yes, keep up loving for the sneakers and more power sa atin. God bless.
Ayun mga Chinoy Barkada, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa ating paglilibot dito sa One Esplanade for Summer Soul Slam Manila. Saan na kaya yun si Benedict?
Oh, thank you kay Mr. Henrik Lim at sa Get Soul for these shoes.
Oh,
Regalo nila sa akin, bro.
okay, so guys, I hope you're gonna be tuning in for more interesting segments dito lang sa Chinoy TV.
废话天是台。